So round off to nearest thousands. Let us start with an example. First one, I am taking 2378. Okay. As we are discussing from the earlier topics, so 2378. So if we take the place values of it ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. So the new number after rounding off will have four places, namely ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. As we have to make or write the number to nearest thousands, as we did for the previous classes or the previous methods of converting or rounding off to nearest tens and hundreds, what we have to do, as we want to round off this thousands place, the ones place, the tens place and the hundreds place should be replaced with or replaced by 0. Now the digit in thousands place is 2. In order to fix the value of it or to round it off, we have to check the previous place value, that is hundreds place, and it is 3. And always we have to compare it with 5. As 3 is less than 5, no change. That means 2 will go as it is to thousands place. So the rounded off value of 2378 is 2000. Okay, I will give you CW, the picture of the CW after this class. So understand the concept first. Next, let us move to another example. I am taking the another example. It is 2756. Okay, so 2756. Even for this also the place values are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So automatically the rounded off value will have four places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. As we have to round off to nearest thousand, what we have to do with the other place values? We have to replace them by zeros up to hundreds. Now in thousands place we have 2. In order to fix the value for it, we have to check the digit in hundreds place, which is greater than 5. If it is greater than, means what we have to do with this value in thousands place? We have to add 1 to it. Upon adding 1 to 2, we will get 3. Hope you are clear. Since 7 is greater than 5, the value or the digit in thousands place should be increased by 1. And this 3 will be occupied by the thousands place, hence 3. Therefore, the rounded off value of 2756 is 3000. Okay, hope you are clear. Let us move to next problem. So the next one, C, is 8429. 8429. So the place values of 8429 are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Then automatically the rounded off number will carry four places, namely ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now look, as we have to round off to nearest thousand, what we have to do with the digits of ones, tens and hundreds? We have to replace them by 0. In the question, the thousands place, we have 8 as a digit, and to fix the value for it, we will check the digit in hundreds place, which is 4. As I told, always we will compare with 5. 4 is less than 5, then what will happen to the digit in this thousands place? No change, because the digit in hundreds place is less than 5, it carries no change. Hence the value which is there in thousands will come to thousands place as it is. Therefore, the rounded off value of 8429 is 8000. Okay. Now let us see the next one. D. I hope by this time you are quite habituated to this rounding off process, as we have gone through so many example problems pointing to hundreds and tens. Yes. So 8, 9, 5, 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Now the new number will have 4 places, namely ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. As we have to round off to nearest thousand, what will happen to the digits in ones place, tens place and hundreds place? They should be replaced by 0. Now we have to check with the digit which is there in thousands place. For that, we will check the digit in hundreds place, which is 9. 9 is clearly greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, what we have to do with this digit in thousands place? We have to add 1 to it. By adding 1 to it, the new number will be 9. So that should be occupied by digit in thousands place. Hence the rounded off value of 8956 is 9000. Hope you are clear. Okay, let us move to next example. So look, next is E. I am taking 32,495. Okay, 32,495. So 32495. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Here we have the place of 10,000. So please observe the problem carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the new one also will occupy 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now look. Therefore, the rounded off value of 32,495 is 32,000. Okay, 32,000. So shall we move to the next one? This is 32,000. Now let us move to the next one. 1 minute. Now we have to do F1. F 32,878. I am taking 32,878. So 32878. The place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Again we got 10,000 here. Okay, again we have 10,000 here. Now the new number will have 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay, as we have to round off to nearest thousands, the digits in ones place and tens place and hundreds place will be replaced by zeros. Now what we have there in thousands place 2. In order to fix the value of it, we'll go with digit in hundreds place. Clearly 8 is greater than 5. Then what will happen to this digit in thousands place? 2 plus 1. That is equal to 3. So 3 is going to be occupied by thousands place. Then what we have to do with 10,000 place? The same digit which is there in 10,000 place of the question will come to the answer. So the rounded off value of 32,878 is 33,000. Okay. Now let us move to next two examples. which are to be copied to your CWs. So the next problem is G1 64,257. Okay, 64,257. 6, 4, 2, 5, 7. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Okay. So what will happen to the rounded off value? Again, it will have 5 places with 5 digits: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. As we have to round off to nearest thousand, what will happen to the digits in ones, tens, and hundreds? They will be replaced by 0. As we have to round off to nearest thousand, that 10,000 place, okay, will be discarded for some time, and to fix the thousands place, which is 4, we will check the digit in hundreds place, which is 2. Clearly 2 is less than 5. If it is less than 5, what will happen to this 4? No change, because the digit in hundreds place is less than 5. No change means the 4 will come as it is to thousands place. Then what we have to do with the 10,000s place? We have 6 in 10,000. So the same should be copied here. Therefore, the rounded off value of 64,257 is 64,000. Okay. Let us move to the next one. And this is the last one of this model. 67,825. 67,825. So 6, 7, 8, 2, 5, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Okay, the new number will carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Okay. What will happen to the digits in ones and tens and hundreds? They will be replaced by 0. Now, what is the digit in thousands place here? 7. In order to fix the value for it, we will check 8. That is digit in hundreds place. It is clearly greater than 5. If the digit in hundreds place is greater than 5, what will happen to the digit in thousands place? We have to add 1 to it. By adding 1, it will become 8. So take this 8 as the thousands place. Okay. And the 10,000 will be occupied by the same digit which is there in the 10,000 place of the question. So this ends up the model. So now after this video, I will send you the CW to be copied, but you practice this methodology also, because in the next class, that is in 5th class, it is required to draw this and to show why you have converted and how you got no change, okay, everything. So just practice it, okay, so that by the time you come to 5th, you won't carry any kind of confusion to round off the numbers. Okay, hope you are clear. Have a great weekend.